been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
So there are birds in the tree. You hear them? We call them like parakeet. I don't know what you guys know them as. Green like the leaf. See them? So Shan want to go down in the bush to show you guys a section of the property. So I'm waiting on her to come down.
God,
How are you?
so this is what we call a nature walk.
You have to be there, they drop, you know. Make sure you
Give me a drop.
make sure me no miss it.
Oh my god. And we can give both give me a drop.
Wicked it was.
Suppose me go drop on plaster.
Hello, if thick sketchy, no man, no blame me. Where them I go? About the girl them? What? Where come in here from?
Come hold my hand.
No, I'm hold your hand. You hurry up and drop, make it chip on video.
Where me hurry up and drop me?
No,
Tell me how you find
no, stone not down here.
Oh, look at the butterfly. Wait. Oh, what is it? A papaya? No.
Really, babes?
What?
A cocoa tree.
Cocoa tree?
See, brother? You butterfly fly up on him, I can't catch him. See him there? Oh, almost catch him. See how pretty he is. No, fly. Wait, no man. See how close we come to him? We not fly. Don't fly. Pretty, eh? Yeah, hold on.
See the other one gone. All the dog them know them way.
What?
See all the dog them know them way. See the other two gone. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Nice and cool down here, you know? See the bamboo?
Yeah, my house down here.
Eh?
Yeah, my house down here.
Our house down here. When our visitors come and visit us, we can
dig some brick here.
we'll build something for them, and they can come and hang out with us.
Come and show you some brick. You know some brick?
Should I put on my shoes the other way?
I don't know. Alright.
No, I don't know what cambric looks like.
What this?
Oh, what's this?
Break it and look.
It's orange.
I make curry.
Oh, that's what makes curry. Has a smell. It has a smell, yeah.
So them dig it up. These are the heads. Like them part here. Them part here grow back. So when them bite, them don't bite the head. So this part just leave in the dirt.
So that can replant to grow more?
You don't replant it, just stay here and grow again. So you see
don't replant it? Oh, so
like
it's growing?
Here, it's like here. I see here, this the grow back right there. Look, see it?
Oh, okay.
So,
it looks yellow like carrot.
Then
Okay.
I make curry.
Oh,
So
not bad.
see, lots of head in here. Them bite, but then like, look on this. Them leave piece. Look here, babe.
Eh?
So then leave one big piece and then.
Oh, why didn't you bring them a shade?
You see?
Eh? You should have brought them in shade. Oh, look at those. Oh, what is that? I don't know how much
So
you
them
need of
come-
that to make curry.
Then come bigger than this, like a big root.
But what do you have to do? Dry it or something?
Yeah.
Why did you bring them in shade?
I'm gonna do my shit. I chop nobody.
Why means we chop nobody? Why cow run me down?
Yo, chop it cow. I will show you what. Oh shit, the bars just black up.
Huh?
We gonna go over this.
Oh,
When
you're
I-
gonna walk that way?
We gonna go in a cocoa walk, but you're in the black up.
Where the dog them gone? You don't see them gone ahead of us.
You must know, I didn't a brush pan on tree. I think so you catch you.
Did you catch me? You hear them.
Yeah, what?
You dog them.
You see how them dig, then leave this chop out of them bag.
Oh.
And them I bring them up. So all I down here, so we like all I here and go back that way. The fence supposed to be down here.
Down here.
Yeah, a different property.
A different land. So guys, this is a view of our backyard. See how big it is? You guys wanted a tour? Oh, there's the fence it's here.
Yeah.
So we are giving you a tour. Oh no, there are dogs are over there. Wait a minute. No lizard no down there. Oh what iguana?
Look at them everywhere.
Iguana babe?
No iguana, just guana. Like they're not
Iguana, whatever.
big. They're not big like Florida guana them also.
Look, and then we have more bamboo tree. So this is all of our property. This is our property thumbnail.
You go by fence?
Yeah, go by fence. Yeah, go in the people in the yard.
What?
Oh, if you go by this one now.
I don't know. If they don't crawl on there.
Crawl on that, my dog. Wait,
Is
hold
there
on.
anything you want to call it? You yet? Hello?
Eh?
Well,
You go first?
No, go on now. Just hold on there, so. I'll get you. I'll get you here, you know.
Well, we have on the crutch. Oh my god.
What's wrong with you?
Wait, wait. What do you mean? What's wrong with me? Let me go slide on this. I
You better make sure say cow don't come.
What? What cow?
So the cow come on over there, so you go.
Gosh, wait, babes. I'm stuck.
Just put away your foot now.
Mario, you think it's so easy?
Easy.
Mario, it's not that easy.
Don't
There's
get up.
Mario,
Just put away your foot.
there's something underneath my crutches.
You see, you can't do go on the boy, you stop laughing before your job. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't even
There's
know.
something hitch underneath me.
I don't even know if you come over. Come hold up this.
Watch out, and you can't come over.
No, just hold this.
Well, let's.
This.
No. See, but remember, you know, that thing is taller than me. Look, you see?
Yeah, right.
How come in a hitch for your seed?
Where did you miss it?
But that's what I was just telling you. Yeah, almost hitch.
No, if
Me
mango,
part.
if I were mango time, we could have find mango all on this tree here.
Yes, we're on people property. This is not ours. We pass our part.
So dog them.
No, yes, it's dog.
You make sure so then go back up.
Come here, no, they just follow fashion so. Eh? Oh, this is pretty. You should have brought the drone.
Hmm?
You should have brought the drone.
Mm.
What?
So drop me now to keep up, you know.
Eh?
So drop me now to keep up.
Let me drop me on.
See mango tree them a blossom.
This is pretty. Oh, to them there. Look.
Hello, come, go on up. Come. Come. Come, go up. Come.
Oh, there's the cow over there. Look at the cow dropping.
Come. Now.
So you ever want to make sure your grass stay green?
Watch
They love it. Look at
Play
it.
man complain, watch him just walk sideways. When you go tell them knowingly don't watch him.
Yes.
Go up. Now. Up.
Look, cause you know she's in trouble.
Mhm.
Look at this one. Are you enjoying yourself? You're not
Come,
so
go up.
pretty.
Right up. Up. Go.
Cause you see, she's smart. She tuck her tail between her bum and she goes.
Go.
The other one, them there, the two male, they're so bullface.
I don't want to come with me. Next thing you watch up, buddy.
The animals.
Go up now.
Go, go, shoot, go.
I'm going to go. Just run them up. Boy, your shoe.
Go! You know, said it.
Go on. Hello, go up.
Look, one of the most
Go up.
stubbornest one. Watch
What
it.
you-
Watch him.
It's soon as them come again. Come on.
Oh my god.
See a cow down there.
Calm down.
We want to dry. You want to copy?
But you take you up.
Look.
Ew. Really?
Yeah.
Why?
No, but be sure you say you can't take up.
Cow poop?
So what did it? It dry.
You dry, you better try not touch me. Ew. Mario, go. Ew, Mario.
Shut up, Angwe. But me no wrong with you. Take a look at that, dropping away in our pitney. Run up and down.
Yes, and I look a bit of dung and drop
Remember say my father used to raise cow, you know? And sometimes he do it in put in the yard and we have to take you up with shovel and throw it out the yard. You can't stay in the yard.
You use that shit on
First time they
I have to go bathe when I go home.
you still have to bathe anyway. First time they want banana walk in there right here, so I used to come down here.
Is that somebody
banana.
else's land over there?
Yeah. One river went down here, so but like enjoy up.
Where did the river used to be?
I'm not sure there's somewhere down here, but no water, not China that now. And if you go up and fix up on you, don't see nothing.
Hold on, let me go pour.
What? You pour shit. Come on.
How you reach so far?
Because me I walk and you stop.
Huh?
Because I'm walking and you stop.
No, you're walking too fast.
Come here.
I can't walk that fast.
So you cover. Make sure you are covering it down.
Yeah, me, you cold, you run me down. You want me to take off them boots and run?
Yeah, right. You know, cow come on, what you expect? I just 2 minutes, you know, cow.
I'm going out for life. Where, do you see the dogs?
Ain't gone up.
They've actually gone up? They're coming from way up.
So here, so now, like, when here, so, you see, look. You could actually bring your machete with two babes. Coconut there.
Oh god.
Could have picked coconut. Nobody not trouble with you, man. Look,
You can't pick your coconut?
you have coconut tree down here. If you take up a cow down, me take picky. See,
You're dry.
see parrot there.
I can't even see it.
I'm flag on net you, what is that?
Eh?
If you take up this, I make you coconut.
Your face favor. You better go give me a coconut and let me. Mario.
Yeah, but then now do nothing. What your feet say? A grass, you know? Eh? What your feet say? What? It's grass.
It's pretty over here.
See pine over here, so open now for pine.
Oh, is this somebody else's property now?
No, no, for who plant pine over there, so. I go pick pine.
A pine field. And is that their fencing there? Oh, see
Yeah.
their fencing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I don't know for pineapple over there, so. Coconut. But they can't pick. See that? Then dry up. Then jump off on that tree.
Weird.
Huh? So them here now with a cutout and like see? Them here with a cutout now and greater. Put in rice and peas. Then can you machete could have cut out this now? See that catchy? See how whole heap on that tree. Come from that boat and drop it in. Hello, ticks down here now?
No, it looks like one maca.
Make sure me find none.
You go find it by your balls.
Come on, keep moving for them to catch you.
Did they catch you?
Keep moving, that's what I'm telling you, like bounce up on one tree.
Oh.
Cause you bounce up on a tree, you know drop off on you.
No lie.
Yeah, so I'm going to make a ring for you here.
Ready?
Remember when I make a ring for you?
Oh, my engagement ring? Yeah.
Yeah. And this may use.
Yeah, guys, when he made my engagement ring, I still have it.
So
My first engagement promise ring. That's what he used.
So this now, when the tree get bigger, like a bigger tree,
It's very pointy.
yeah, you break them here off. But they no easy to break off. Go and hold some of the care piece. Kind of plastic the bear, you know.
This piece?
Yeah. Hurry up before it's sketchy.
I said, man, I go pick ticks off of each other. I want that this here fly.
Hold this. See me can lick off one. Don't make that tree touch you.
Yeah. Crazy. Oh, yes, that's what I remember you making that. Guys, I still have my ring and he carved it out and it has a S on top. One day I will show you guys it in a video. I don't even know. Yeah. One day I'll actually show you guys it. All right.
Like
my tour guy.
That tree over there, huh? Oh, there's a bush up, man.
Oh, yeah, there's a Dasheen there.
That tree over there.
Okay.
That's our river in there here, so.
Yeah. See, there was a river there, but not there no more. I've turned into. Hmm? Mm-mm. Wait, when you walk all these places, we can't find our way back home. the main land of the property. So here, so the fence here is still the same person's land, right? Because guys, we're actually off our land. We ventured off around people. Oh, this is where the cow them come? Me? Oh, there's a little bit of water there. Who? Me? A little slippery, yes, and these shoes are not something there. Hmm? Yeah, see, there's a little water stream there. And there's another maca tree right there. Yeah, I hear the water. Yeah, you guys hear the water. So, yeah, I got a little bit of... So this is where the cows them drink from? Oh. Careful. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Just, you know, out having a nature walk. Hmm?
Like mango time?
Yeah, if it was mango time, all these trees would be full of mangoes and stuff. So
somebody chop out when I coconut again.
Oh, somebody chop up when I... Oh yeah, they must have got hungry. Look at this one here. Mario!
Grass.
A grass. Yeah. That is that what they poop out, just grass? No man, they're too deep. Pardon? If me can go over what? You can't, me can go in between it. Oh, what a gentleman you are. Well, I wouldn't have married you if you weren't. What are these, babe? What is there's stuff in the tree? What's in the tree? What's those? Those things there.
Where?
You don't see them something? I don't know nothing.
A wild pine.
Oh, they're growing the tree?
Yep.
So how you tell me said the pine not growing a tree?
It's a good area.
What is this? A calabash? See one there?
Yeah.
Right here, so. Oh, this is what the Rastafarian use and make their bowls.
Body.
Body. Oh gosh. Crotch butch. What God? Oh, look at the baby pine, guys. Hmm? Oh yeah, so they're green and then when they they turn. Look, these are wild pine growing in the tree. Because when I first so yes, when I first came, I thought pine grew in trees. I didn't know. Yes, I was born in Jamaica.
No, grow underground. What do you say?
Underground? No, in tree. I thought that's what they grow.
They grow underground.
No, on the underground. Me say in a tree. I thought that's how pine grow, right? Because you have mango and all those other fruit, they grow in the tree. So that's what I thought. But Mario was like, no, they grow on the ground and they shoot up in the air. So he used to laugh at me all the time. But, ow, rotted. They must, yeah, them stick. No, me no so they jokes. Look,
whole heap of pine.
this is a whole pine field. So this is where you get the fresh. So how comes those ones, they look different color? That one up there.
Them are young, them they ripe, them are ready for picking.
Oh.
So you see when you walk in a pine like this now, you don't turn back or stop.
You just go forward.
You just go forward and push it up.
Oh God. So how you want me to push it up? It not go hot.
You're not gonna follow me. See?
Oh! We can't go through it.
So I'm not sure you find them.
No, Samayo. Eh?
You just push, you know.
What do you mean you will push? You know that's in the hat.
So, and you make sure you don't stop.
Well, it catch me. Who can't buy me clothes on the hat?
You already know most of the things you look.
I know.
What you expect? Muck it up on them.
Holy mo! So I had the teeth pine then. Mario, I let it sit and lick me. Oh God! No man, you know you're not going good. Me tell so we carry my shit. You know. Yo, go peel all the people them pine kitchen and they feel. Wait a minute, you left me. You better not play with me, but you left me. Don't play. What? Oh, there's no fish in this thing here. Oh, somebody was burning fire. After they reach fire, reach background. No man. Ah! So this is the background where Mario usually come and play. One of them.
Yep.
Oh man.
Oh, you have ticks?
No, I'm not.
Bar?
Oh, what is it?
What's it? A pine maca?
I feel something to drop my man.
You really good panning.
Oh, oh, that hurt.
You know, see it.
No. So you guys know me catch pine maca. Doing this for you guys. Holy moly. Oh, what are all these things?
Breadfruit, the pine tree. Them boy, now come play ball.
Maybe they never wait till the sun.
The sun almost come and fight.
Lie down.
Yeah, real trenchy water making out there. Water just mess up the place. I don't know stop them from play then, it's easy. Oh. Could they breadfruit the pine tree, you know?
Oh, that little tree?
See breadfruit up there.
Yeah. Look one and the big one and then the one the most.
Yeah, they can't eat. But I don't know stick.
But how you know which one is yellow heart?
You don't know until you pick it. You can't know the differences, but sometimes you can't know. Sometimes you will know. Fuck's sake, but you know easy. Take off. Take off it. Take it off. I'm a dry land tourist.
Eh?
A dry land tourist?
There's me a dry land tourist.
No, dry land tourist no man.
Breadfruit and something.
This is one cocoa tree. This?
So where does the cocoa?
The cocoa in a ground.
Oh, so you have to dig that out?
So you pull that out
Mm-hmm.
and take cocoa off it. Sometimes when you pull it out, the cocoa then come off in the dirt. So you dig them out and you can plant back it up.
Marrying the people backyard.
Yeah, that's where we end up.
So
Sister apple tree down there.
Oh. What kind of tree is that?
Where?
There. It looks like something here.
So, coconut tree. So
Oh,
one fall cup there.
How far tree that you can beg somebody one of them coconut?
The coconut they dry.
All of them?
You see how they look?
All
You go look for the people them fall. You follow me now?
I'm not follow you. I've got to do what we should already.
You tell them I run out. Run out. And then left your shoes on you. Yeah, one.
Yeah, you can take one. I'm a chicken. Oh no, I forget the dog then. Hold on.
Guess you know that's it then.
Uh-huh.
Every name is a way walk.
Yo,
When me can walk, one to put them.
I put them so lazy.
You walk with lazy, you're bright and feisty.
Was never.
We have jackfruit, we have jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
The jackfruit.
Can I have a few tree?
Yes, in green.
Oh, then already? No. Oh, so that's jackfruit I want. Make sure when it ripe, you bring it from.
Hold it up on here. Look at this, man.
You hear me? I love jackfruit, sir. I love it too. If it ripe and you not bring it from, give me a couple of here. We just got back. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Your girl needs to go shower because I probably got ticks all over me and I gotta go. Yeah, so let me go freshen up. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always a vibes over here. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of our backyard and some other people's property. We didn't go do the full tour of our backyard, but at least we showed you guys a little bit of a preview. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.